I woke up absolutely shattered. I could barely move, so I've taken it easy this morning. Done a bit of work cleaning up the brakes, but didn't actually manage to get them in at the rear, and you'll see why. Anyway, all for next time. Enjoy the episode and come back later. Getting the rear axle and suspension on yesterday was exhausting. I mean, really tiring, and so I'm not going to try to do the engine today, and then I'm off tomorrow. So today I'm going to give myself just a couple of hours of light work, the plan being to sort out the rear brakes. After a couple of hours, if I haven't got them done, then I'm just going to stick the wheels on, because the purpose of all of this was really to make the car mobile so that we could shift it around in order to get the engine in. And so that's the key point. So I'm going to go find my brake bits. I'm going to tidy up a bit around here so that I can do that and then go from there. So here are my bits, which are very rusty. Now I do have new shoes, but all of this needs at least a bit of a clean. So I'm going to get out a wire wheel and just sit around and do that for a bit. I'm not sure how much better these look to you, but we've done what I was keen to do, which was get rid of all that surface rust, so we won't have bits falling out. I've done the same in here on both of them. The actual rust around the edges will come with braking. I haven't done the shoes. I've got a new set. I assume they come with this gear bit already attached, in which case I can't be bothered to clean those. I'm just going to use the new. I've also got here the two old pistons, which I don't have new ones for, and I mean those are going to take some work. Bugger, forgot about them. Right, well, what will we do? Next thing I'm going to do is try to loosen this off. These you know, obviously should move, and they don't, so I'm going to give those a bit of WD-40 to see if I can get these bits out, and then I'll have a think about if I want to do more. And I'm going to get those in a vise. So I've given both of these a bit of a clean, and I've taken out the cut-off pipes, and this is loose, but I can't do it one-handed, but I made sure that was loose as well. So I'm going to have to get a new bleed nipple for this one, but I'm not planning to do the pipe work today. I just wanted to really get the handbrake working. Right, so we're now going to see if I can remember stroke work out how the rear brakes go together. Alright, so the new shoes do not have the handbrake mechanism on there, so this needs to be moved from one to the other. I don't fancy doing that at the moment because I haven't got a spare circlips for here. So I'm going to give these a quick wire wheel just to clean them up a bit and then go from there. Okay, so these are cleaned up enough to, you know, get rid of the bits. I'm now going to make sure I can move these handbrake mechanisms. Not sure I can show this to you one-handed, but that comes out, and also I'm going to put you down and show you. So as you can see off camera, I've moved that in. So that is all good. So that would have this one would have a spring on it to pull it out. Good, so that's fine. And both of them are working. I've been struggling for about 15 minutes, but I don't have the clips to hold the I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, I don't have the clips to hold it in place. and saw I can't actually do this, so I'm not going to try. I'm going to put these things away for now till I'm up next time, and I'm just going to get the hubs on, get the wheels on, get the car down so that it's actually, well, sitting on its suspension, which would be nice, but it actually means I can clear up a bit. We're back onto four wheels, even though we haven't got any brakes. I've given it a roll, so everything rolls, so that's good. I've also turned over the engine, just to make sure, and that's turning nice and smoothly still. So that's it for probably a quarter. Hopefully you'll be back up soon, and decide what I want to do then closer to the time. All right, hope you enjoyed this episode of Henry's Garage, and see you next time.